In this video, we are going to write a Python program to convert centimeter into feet. So steps involved are, first, we will find out the conversion formula. We will find out what is the input, that is going to be centimeter. And then we are going to convert using the formula, and then we are going to print the converted feet in Python. So first, the formula. To feet. So what is the formula? It is divide by 30.48. So here, first step, goal, this program is to convert centimeter into feet. What is going to be input? Centimeter. What is going to be formula? Centimeter divided by 30.48. And what is going to be output? In feet. Input example. Let's say we enter 100 centimeter. What would be the output? Expectation is going to be 100 is 3.2 foot. Let's do 3.2 feet. Now let us write the program. The first is taking the input. So input is in centimeter. So centimeter is equal to float because we are expecting fractions. Input, enter the enter centimeter. What is going to be the conversion? Feet equal to cm divided by 30.48. And now we are going to print feet equal to feet, centimeter equal to centimeter. Remove the quotes, we run, say 100, and there we go, it is 3.28. This is how we can convert, and same way we can convert from feet to centimeter in the opposite format. Thank you.